Have you ever seen a bird that looks like it can read your soul? Meet the shoebill, also known as the whalehead.
In the quiet of the night, shadows call my name. Whispers of a love that faded, nothing is the same. Memories they linger.
That massive beak isn't just for show. It's a deadly weapon, built for precision strikes. The shoebill's favorite prey? Lungfish. It waits completely still, then strikes like lightning.
The stars up in the sky, they used to shine so bright. Now they're just a reminder of the darkest night. I wander through the moment.
Standing up to 5 feet tall, with a wingspan over 8 feet, it's like a sentinel of silence.
Tears fall like rain in this empty room. Every note of sorrow, a haunting tune. Loneliness, my only.
Though it rarely flies, when it does, it moves with power and grace. A true master of the air.
Comes around.
Time moves slowly like a river running dry. The colors of the world fade to a grayscale sky. We trace the lines of our love in the tears that fall. Each drop a reminder of the rise and the fall.
Mysterious, calm, and captivating. The shoebill continues to fascinate scientists and bird lovers alike.
If I could turn back time, I'd hold you close again. But now I'm left with shadows and an endless rain. In the stillness, your voice is just a distant sound, a memory that fades as the darkness comes around. In the quiet of the night, shadows call my name. Whispers of a love that faded, nothing is the same. I'll carry this heartache through the endless days, hoping for a moment when the pain will.
Perhaps what draws us most is how it invites us into its quiet, ancient world. Don't forget to subscribe. Wild Nature's secrets are just getting started.
Voice is just a distant sound, a memory.